How to delete your Facebook account on computer. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to delete your Facebook account on computer. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, just click on your profile icon in the upper right corner, and then from in there just click on your settings and privacy, then click on your settings right here. Now after you have clicked on that, what you need to do next is you just head over to your Meta Account Center just right here. So click on Meta Account Center, and after you have clicked on that, you can see your profiles right here. So if you want to delete your account, what you need to do is just scroll down on your account settings, then click on your personal details. Then from in there, just click on account ownership and control. And then in here, you can see deactivation and deletion. So just click on deactivation or deletion, and then from in there it will redirect you to this again, wherein you need to choose what account you want to delete. So we need to click or delete our Facebook account. So let's click on my Facebook account right here. After that, you can see this deactivate account or delete account, so you just choose the second option. So this is also applicable to your app or on your mobile app device. So click on continue. And then in here, as you can see, this will also delete your pages. So click on continue here again. And then in here, you can also just click on any one of them. And then just click on any one. Click on continue. And then in here, click on continue again. Then from in there, you can just scroll down. And in here, you can see that this is the last warning that they will give you if you want to delete your account. So click on continue again. And then from in there, just enter your password and then click on continue again, and that will be able to delete your account. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to delete your account on computer. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.